YouTube. I'm stranded on the road, man. Fucking radiator that messed up. You can see we in the middle of nowhere, cars passing by and shit. I've been stranded on probably like the beginning of this road. I've been letting the car cool down, cranking it back up, starting again, and then turning it back off before it hit hot because I don't want to blow my what's the name and shit. This week just been straight hell, man. I know I ain't posted. I ain't even been in the mood. This week been straight hell. I decided to turn the camera on because I'm like, fuck it. What else can go wrong at this point? I lost my wallet. Now this, I had to get another car towed. The tow company was fucking with that car. Like, been trying to keep my head positive. That's why I decided to turn on the camera. I'm like, I need someone to talk to, even though I'm talking to my damn self. Like, bad things after bad things keep coming to me, and I don't know why the fuck why, bro. I don't know why the fuck why, YouTube. I ain't did shit to nobody, you feel me? Like, I be walking around with good intent, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't understand this shit. I'm hot as shit. I got a black shirt on, like, and just to let y'all know, I'm gonna show y'all this shit real. Like, I'm not capping. I'm gonna show y'all I'm not tripping. This what my cooling level is. It get all the way up there. I done turned the car off. I've been sitting here for a minute, but I gotta keep sitting, man. Like I said, I'm on the side of the street, bro. Like, I'm literally on the side of the street, just chilling. So I'm just talking to y'all, like, ain't nothing else to do, man. This stopped so many plans, bro. So anyways, let me tell y'all this. I done lost my wallet. So that means I lost my social security card, I lost my driver's license, and I lost my bank card. I done went to my job 2 times trying to find my wallet. It's a big ass warehouse, so ain't no telling.
Really, nigga?
Ain't no telling where the fuck that shit is. And wallet, I got my social security card. That's gone. Y'all know how hard it is to get another social security, so that's gone, bro. I was on the way today to the DMV to try to get another license because online I missed too many security questions or some shit like that. Like, this woman asking me shit from my old car from years ago. How the fuck am I supposed to remember that? I barely remember how old I am. Like, what the fuck, bro? So it's like, this shit just been stupid, man. Like, constantly just bullshit after bullshit after bullshit, bro. I want Raise to give up, but it's like, damn, can I get a break, bro? It's hot as shit. Nah, I'm gonna let it get a little bit under half, and then I'm gonna try to drive it home again. Park it on the side of the road, wait till it cool down, do the same process over and over again. You feel me? I hope ain't nobody break no mirrors in y'all family, cause mine surely did. You get what I'm saying? So like, shit. I don't even know, bro. And you know, all this is crazy because I just got Black Widow out of the shop. I didn't make a video on it. After I had did the paint, while I painted my wheels, I messed my trailer arm up. So the fucking car was all over the road like we on the fucking Intimidator at Kings Dominion. I just got the car back 2 days ago. Damn, look at us again. Fucking stranded.
Another one.
My back wheels was looking like both of them bitches was bow-legged on the fat bitch. Now I'm trying to go do the right fucking thing as a man and go take hand of my business, and I can't even do that. I can't even do that. Do I accept defeat? Hell no, I ain't gonna accept no defeat, nigga. I'm a fucking god. I ain't accepting no defeat. I ain't stooping down to that level, you feel me? But at the same time, I'm like, bro, like, some shit gotta go my way. I don't know which way to move to make these tables turn, but some shit gotta go my way. I've been looking at another car. I'm not gonna say what it is because that's gonna be a video. But anyway, some shit gotta go my way, bro. There's no way in the hell all this. I get things happening like, but all these things is taking place day by day by day by day, my nigga. Like, damn, I'm a god and shit, but shit. Like, a nigga need a break. Day by day by day. Why not week by week, my nigga? This shit crazy, bro. Like, nigga, I done beyond sweated out this fucking shirt. You can call this bitch a sweat rag by now. My fucking seat look like I done let the windows down in the hurricane warning. Cars keep passing me. You know, I really get aggravated. I'm finna open my door and make a motherfucker swerve. Cause they don't even know I'm in here. This bitch so dark. Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. This heat got me fucking hallucinating, nigga. We at a new spot. We 3 minutes closer to home. That's as far as I could make it. Like I'm chicken on a fucking fryer, nigga, on a motherfucking pan, nigga, like hot ass pan. Y'all can tell we right in the motherfucking sun with it. We in the sun with it, nigga. We sun gazing to the max, nigga. I ain't mad at it, cause you feel me? Us melanated beings, that's what we need. You feel me? Anyways, I'm gonna show y'all where we at. Fuck it, nigga. We in the middle of no fucking way, nigga. We out this bitch thugging. We out this bitch thugging, nigga. We in the middle of no fucking way. The beast is down. You feel me? We just out this bitch thugging. Earlier, I was stranded at a whole different location. Mind you, I left at 8 o'clock. I ain't got no way to show the time, but it's damn near 1 o'clock. I've been trying to get this car. I've been stopping and going since fucking 9 o'clock this morning. You feel me? So the second location I stopped at, this big ass dog came out of nowhere, and I'm just chilling. Thinking about life. I guess I got my windows down and shit. I see this nigga with hazel eyes. This nigga looking at me. He look like a lab mixed with fucking motherfucking the Hulk, nigga. You feel me? So I'm looking at this nigga. He looking at me, but he can't see me because I got the tent, but he can hear. Because every time I do something in my car, this nigga, you feel me? This nigga look at me. So I'm like, I ain't trying. Dogs like me, but I don't know. You feel this motherfucker could have rabies, ready to kill my ass. So I ain't taking no chance. I ain't got no treats in this bitch. I'm not doing. I'm like, I'm gonna wait till you leave. YouTube. This motherfucker sits in the road, my nigga. He sniffs my whole car. This nigga, I should have got this shit on camera, bro. This nigga sat right in the road. He like, nigga, I know you in there. I'm gonna make your ass come out. You better hope your car crank up, nigga. I'm like, what the fuck? He sat right in front of my car, just staring at my shit. Nigga just staring hard at my shit too. He like, I'm gonna make sure your ass come out. You feel me? You gonna be my next meal, nigga. I'm like, hell no, I ain't going. I sat in this bitch. Shit. I let that motherfucking temp hand cool down. I pulled off on his ass. And then when I crunked the car up, you would think it would have scared the motherfucker. This nigga look like, And still, this nigga still sat right there. To go on the other side of the road. I had to go on the other side of the road to get past this man. This nigga want me bad, bro. He thought I was a motherfucking barbecue chicken leg. You feel me? This shit crazy, bro. Like, nigga, I'm still stranded. I've been out this motherfucker since 9 o'clock this morning. I know y'all see them sweat beads pouring off my head. Y'all can see the desperation in my eyes to make it home. This should be y'all motivation. If y'all going through anything in life, nigga, I'm gonna tell you. If y'all going through anything in life, basically the reason you going through it is because you about to hit a greater point of elevation in your life. You feel me? This should be y'all motivation. Hell, I didn't stop about 5 times. I could have gave up, called the tow truck, said fuck the car. You feel me? I'm determined to get this bitch home. I'm determined, YouTube, to get this bitch home. And y'all got to be determined to do anything in y'all life y'all want to do. Y'all got to be determined. Y'all can't let them setbacks stop y'all niggas. You feel me? A lot of people, car would have been broke down. They do YouTube and they would have been like, fuck it. And mad at the world. What I did? Should I turn the camera on? You feel me? We gonna eat regardless. I turn the camera on. Y'all see what I see. I make the best out of anything, you feel me? And I'm gonna get this bitch home, I guarantee. The next time I turn this motherfucking camera on, this bitch gonna be at home. It's hot as shit, though. I ain't gonna lie, YouTube. I thought about calling the tow truck. I ain't doing it, though. I ain't doing it, because they be bullshit. Like, 90 degrees, 85 degrees out here. Plus in the car, you feel me? Because it's all leather and shit, you feel me? Hey, like I said, if y'all ain't got no motivation, let me be the motivation. Because one thing about me, I ain't giving up, nigga. You can take one of my legs, I'm still going to learn how to walk on one. I ain't giving up, you feel me? That's how I was raised. That's how my parents was. I ain't giving up, you feel me? I'm going to get there. It's just going to take time. I've been sitting on this 32-day old water, you feel me? Fuck it. I got to do something because I might pass out in this bitch and ain't nobody going to know where I'm at because I'm stranded. I ain't got no service. When I turn this camera back on, I'm going to be at home, man. Oh, God. But y'all go ahead, like, comment, subscribe on this video because I know this shit probably entertaining as hell. Cause y'all, I don't think no YouTubers ever recorded when they stranded, stopping the car left and right. You feel me? So y'all go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, share it to your brother, cousin, mother, pops, uncle, grandma, great grandma. You feel me? And I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to the crib, man. YouTube, I told you I was gonna get it home, nigga. Y'all see where we at. Y'all see what's sitting here. Let me show y'all what I was talking about. So the shit was bubbling out this. It was making like a bubbling noise. I'm trying to let it cool down so I can take the cap off to see if it's even got radiator fluid in it, because that shit run hot so quick. I don't think the hose is leaking because it's no leaking in the front of the car. It's all right here, and that's because it's overfilling out of this. So I'm thinking it's just something dealing with this. Thinking it's something dealing with this. It's overfilling out of this shit for some reason. I'm trying to see how hot the car is. See if I can take the, all right, yeah, I can take this off now. Shit, I think. I'm trying to have that motherfucker. Yeah, we good. All right. Let me see, move this shit out the way. See, that shit feel bone fucking dry. That shit's bone dry, bro. And this is, see, it ain't like other cars where the radiator cap be on top of here. It's like this small thing, and that shit definitely is dry. Yeah, it's definitely dry. So I think that's the problem. So when my girl get off, she gonna bring me some radiator fluid, and hopefully that'll work, because I got this 50-50 mixture shit, and I probably ain't mixed that bitch right knowing me. So that's probably what the fuck is going on. So I know if it's not mixed right, if it's too much or something or too less or something, it can cause it to not even cool your car. So I'm thinking that's what it is. I'm hoping that's what it is. A little minor setback is what I'm hoping. But when she get here, I'm gonna just pull it straight into the head. Hopefully that'll calm it down from overheating this quick. Cause I did fill it up here. I can show y'all what it look like in there. I did fill it up here, filled it up to the line, but it wasted all out because my radiator was pushing all of it back into the reserve, which was pushing all of it out. So I waste all that shit, which I don't care no, because that ain't the right shit for my car. I accidentally got that shit. I'm rushing, but yeah. I think that's what all it is, man. I'm hoping, because I don't see nothing leaking from the front at all. And my fans is working. That's why it's not overheating, because my fans came on when it started overheating. So, and I hope I didn't blow my head gasket. That's what I was trying to explain in the video, why I kept turning it on and off. I didn't want to blow my head gasket. I hope I didn't do that. But yeah, everything else was good, man. Shit, once she bring that fluid, we're gonna see what she talking about. Hopefully that'll fix the whole problem for real. Cause I don't need no minor setbacks right now, man. I know I'm keeping a level head with this shit, but I don't need no setbacks right now at all, bro. So we gonna hope and pray that that's what it is. And I'm gonna get back to y'all once she get here with the fluid. Or I might even vlog today, add a vlog onto this. I don't know. We're going to see, though. What you say? What up, black man? Say hey to the YouTube.
Hey to the YouTube.
Yeah.
Blur your hair.
It is blurry because I got...
What done happened to you?
Let's just say I was doing something before I started recording.
What happened to you?
Alright, y'all, so this the cooling she got and shit. I hope like hell this all my car need, because I need my car, bro. Like, nigga, I didn't tell y'all I was turning so many heads when I was going downtown. I didn't tell you neither. But I was. And I still hope I can. Out that reservoir tank.
Yeah, so what if that happened again?
It did.
That's why there's none in there.
I know that.
Oh, okay.
That's what I'm. But what I'm saying is normally it's like something, nigga. That shit
Drier than my last
drier
transmission.
That shit drier than the camel pussy. Will you shut the fuck up? Hey, y'all black man gonna have to get back down the road. You disturbing my. You driving a girl bike. You're sus. And your shirt too big. That bitch might get caught on the pedal and make your ass flip.
How much you gonna put in there though?
How much I'm supposed to?
Why are you asking me? I'm not the car
Why you
person.
ask me?
Cause you the car
I'm not
man.
the car person.
Man,
Obviously, they know I don't know what the
the.
fuck I'm doing. Shit, I just do shit. When it come to detailing, okay, this shit, hell nah. That's what mechanics for. Do I look like one? Fuck no. It's crazy as shit to take on this. Like,
How much is left in there? Like half?
that's my dog. Thought my car was making that noise.
You looking strong today, you know that?
Huh?
You looking strong today, like, you know that? Let me see a little.
I be fasting.
Come on, babe. Let me see a little.
I don't do that. These size 14s can't do none of that.
Hey, hey.
Yo.
I don't see nothing. Ooh, that sound good.
I done tried everything. I done brought coolant. I couldn't even get halfway down the road before it started getting close to the overheating stage again, so I don't know what to do. Probably call the mechanic, see what he can do, or tell me some things. You can check it out or whatever. It's probably gonna be a shit ton of money to fix. If it is the head gasket, it's gonna be a whole lot of money to fix, but yeah. I'ma holler at y'all boys, man.